My name is Shady Blue and I'm a singer-songwriter. You're about to watch a DVD of me performing live and a couple of my videos. Permission to Please and Give Me Some More. The first song you're gonna see me perform live is called Give Me Some More. This song was written a while back and the chorus was co-written by me and a friend of mine called Flu. The original version of Give Me Some More was produced by a guy called Johnson Akimoyede, a very good friend of mine as well. The concept behind the song Give Me Some More is about having good love from the person you really love, a person truly loving you and showing you how good love should really feel like.
My name is Shady Blue, and I'm doing 4 songs tonight. The first song I'm doing is Give Me Some More, and I wrote this song 5 years ago. Some more of that good loving, baby. Give me some more, give me some more. The way you did it last night. Give me some more, give me some more. Give it to me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give me some more, give me some more. First thing in the morning, I had a smile on my face as I smelled the scent of your cologne on my pillow. He's yearning for more. My imagination of your sensual ways, of your gentle touch, it means so much. There's no explanation to the way I feel. I can't conceal it and hold back more. Give me some more, give me some more. Of that good loving, baby. Give me some more, give me some more. That night. Give me some more, give me some more. Give it to me, baby. Yeah, yeah. Give me some more, give me some more. Best thing is your loving and the way you turn me on. As your kisses make me shiver, feeling closer to you. Of your sweetness and your tenderness makes me want you more. No one's made me feel this way. This feels so good.
I started singing from a very, very young age back in Nigeria. I used to have a lot of musicians around me day in, day out, because we lived in a big family house where we had a studio. We had a chicken poultry changed into a studio. So we had singers coming to rehearse in my father's studio. I used to watch a lot of people sing, and I used to dream of being like them at some point in my life. So I had a group when I was a little girl with my cousins called Young Voices. We used to sing in various places like stadiums. We used to sing gospel music. And when I was a teenager, I came over to the UK. It was so hard for me to get back into the music scene because I didn't have anyone who did music around me. It was such a struggle. Then I met a lady called Dee. I joined a group called Citizen K. It was a gospel choir as well. And from there, I started networking again and got back into the music scene in the UK. When I came to the UK, I started as a model. I used to do hair modeling because I'm not tall enough to be a catwalk model. And from there also, I mean, music, entertainment, modeling, fashion, everything is all linked in a way. I started to meet musicians and all, and I got back into my music. Then I met a guy called Skills, who was in charge of a group called JJC and 419 Squad. I went to him to make me a solo artist, and he suggested me being in a group called 419 Crew. I was in 419 Crew for about 3 years, and I decided to go on my own, but it was so hard. Then I decided to get a group of friends together, Toyo and Flu, and we formed a girl group called Quality. Quality was together for almost 2 years. We had an album but never released it. I decided to then go on my own because Toyo and Flu decided to go get our music, really, I don't know, for their own personal reasons. So I thought to myself, maybe being a solo act would be the easiest way to do things. But Flu decided to start writing songs anyway. She's still writing songs, so we decided to do a couple of my songs on my album, which I'm still putting together. And Give Me Some More is one of the songs Flu and I co-wrote. The second song you're gonna watch on this video is a song called Recipe. Recipe was produced by a very good friend of mine as well, Renegade. Recipe is about good love as well. It shows that I really love good love. It's really nice to have good love all the time. It's about cooking love. It's about a recipe of true love. So it's not really a recipe of food. And it's about just having someone truly loving you as well and giving you all the elements of true love.
Your body looks
My style of music can be described as a fusion of various styles. I'll describe my music as a fusion of jazz, soul, R&B with a fusion of African music. That's where I'm originated from. I get my influences from my father, who is a jazz musician, and various jazz musicians like Ella Fitzgerald, Anita Baker, Jill Scott, Erykah Badu, and Alicia Keys, who's someone I really look up to. You can get more information about me from shadyblue.com, www.shadyblue.com. You can get more information about all the shows I'm going to be having. I do a lot of live shows in the UK. You can get more information about my new songs and updates on what I'm doing musically. The third song you're about to watch is a song called Gotta Let You Go. Gotta Let You Go is a song produced by a friend of mine called Rodney. Gotta Let You Go was written when I was going through a lot. So this is not about actually good love, it's about letting go a love that's not good for you. Sometimes we go through a situation in life whereby you love someone and you know the person is not really good for you, but then you're stuck in this love because you're going by what your heart is saying. You're not really going by what your head is saying, and the heart can really overcome what you feel sometimes, and then you end up in this, you get stuck in this situation you can't get yourself, because the heart can actually just make you do the wrong things. But it came to a point where I had to just say, yeah, it's time to let go and being strong. And I know a lot of people go through this situation, so sometimes you have to listen to your head and just stop going with the heart, because the heart can actually make you do the wrong things sometimes.
Feelings inside me driving me crazy. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. Don't wanna be stepped on no more, 'cause my feelings are growing, starting to show it. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. Don't wanna be stepped on no more. let you go. Don't wanna be stuck on no more. My feelings are growing. Why wouldn't you love me? Why don't you want me? Wish you could feel the same way I do about you. Oh, you love me, so I attach to you. Always on my mind in my dreams. But I'm gonna let you go. Don't wanna be stuck on no more. 'Cause my feelings are growing, not to show. Gonna let you go. But I'm gonna let you go. Don't wanna be stuck on no more. 'Cause my feelings are growing. Gotta let you go. Yeah.
Someone shake me, someone shake me.
Baby, I've had enough. Gotta let you go. Yeah. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go, baby. Thank you.
You're about to watch me perform a song of mine that was playlisted and has been playlisted for so many months on London's #1 station, Choice FM. And this song is called Permission to Please, produced by KO. Permission to Please is a song that I would not normally do. It's a kind of song with a different kind of style that actually brought a different side of me out. And this was through the help of KO. The original version wasn't actually playlisted. The house version was playlisted, and KO was well known for his house production from back in the 90s. So the Permission to Please house mix is actually doing really well on radio stations all over the UK and also in Africa. This song is about having so much fun in a club, like when you go out to a club and you see someone you really like or fancy, and you just know you like them so much, and you're trying to tell them they don't need the permission for them to please you, basically. This song has a couple of videos out at the moment. You can watch it on YouTube. It has various edits as well, and you see Shady Blue in a different light that you haven't seen Shady Blue before. This is the very first time I'm going to perform this song live. Enjoy.
Everybody step to the floor, start moving. DJ cutting up the tunes and we groovy. You caught my eye in the club as I walked in. I wanna hey, dance with you, darling. I wanna feel you hold me up close. When your body hits inside me close. Permission to please me, baby, you don't need. Sipping me drink as I wine to the beat. Do it proper, hold me tight with your hands. Turn me around, squeeze me tight, you come in. You're looking like a queen, I don't know. You don't need permission to please me tonight. Do me proper, tight with your hands. Turn me around, squeeze me tight, you come in. You're the king and the queen of the night. You don't need permission to please me tonight. I know,
Losing my self-control.
I know.
I just thought I'd let you know. Losing my self-control.
You don't need permission to please me. permission to please me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I want to thank Chris Phillips from Choice for coming down. I want to thank Billy Grant. I want to thank David Palance. I want to thank David Palance's son. David Palance is my manager from DP Entertainment. I want to thank Showcash. Showcash over there, he made my first music video. This video to Permission to Please is going to be on MTV, Channel U. Go on YouTube, you find it on there. And please request my song as well.
I've been putting together an album which is long overdue, as you all know, but look out for this album because it's gonna have so much influences, it's gonna have a fusion of various styles. I'm working with quite a few producers. One of them is KO. The other one I'm working with Hez Thor, who's worked with a lot of people as well. This album is gonna have a lot of jazzy influences, African styles. I was actually looking to probably do a couple of albums, but we're still working on it and trying to work out how we want to go about doing this album. Currently I have an album on iTunes, so you can actually buy some of my songs on iTunes. You can listen to my new songs as I bring them out. I'll put the snippets on my web page so you can check them out, because I'd like to have your comments on what you think about them. Just look out for me. I'm going to be doing a lot of live shows as well, because I love doing live shows, because music has always been my passion, and performing live is something I really love and enjoy doing. So look out for me out there. I'll be doing a lot of live shows, and I would really love your support with my live shows.
Permission
I'd like to thank my manager, David Palons, who has really believed in me. He's one of the people in the UK that has really had true belief in me and has invested a lot in me. Thank you so much, David. I'd like to thank Kale, my producer, who brought a different sound in me by being really hard on me. When it was being hard on me, I didn't really realize what it was trying to do. But you did a good job, Kale. Thank you. Thanks to Benji. Benji, I did a couple of songs with you and you're a good songwriter. Thank you so much. I want to thank Mr. TJ Vibes, man. I always give him so much stress, but it kind of like understands me when and where I'm coming from, because it's kind of like the male version of me, so he understands where I'm coming from. Thanks to Steve Black Marvel, I call him. That's the name I gave him. He's always been there for me. He knows the things I go through. Thank you so much, Steve. Steve is like my second Shady Blue. Is the male version of Shady Blue. It does all Shady Blue stress. It gets all Shady Blue stress as well. Thanks, Steve. Thanks to DJ Abbas. DJ Abbas, you've been there for me from day one. Without you, I wouldn't have done Permission to Please video, because you gave me that inspiration to bring out a video for Permission to Please. Thank you, DJ Abbas. Thank you to Femi. Thank you to Ben TV crew. Thank you to Black Knight. Thank you to Skills from JJCM 419 Squad. Thank you to Don Jazzy and everybody else. I can't remember right now, but thank you to everybody that's been supporting me. Thanks to you guys out there that come to my show. Thanks to my fans. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Thank you to everybody. Thanks to my mom, my dad, my sister, my brothers, and my family. Thanks to my friends for understanding, not having enough time to spend time with them. But you know it. When I get there, you all be smiling with me. Thank you so much to everybody that's always been there for me. Thank you. And thanks to God as well.